So we have recently introduced a specialty in artificial intelligence in the undergraduate program in the computer science and engineering program. I think this is one of the areas that are currently transforming the face of the technology. We see it across different industries, from robotics, self-driving cars, Gen AI that's currently being used by everyone, I would say. So we introduced this new specializations to equip the students with the right skill sets and tools and understanding to be able to comprehend what's happening around them, to be able to develop new tools and new models in this field, and also to advance the area altogether.
Our specialization in cybersecurity comes at a critical time when there is a great gap in the cybersecurity workforce, as has been reported by several industry-led reports. Not only does industry and even the public sector need a very large number of cybersecurity experts, trained professionals, but you need them in various roles such as security analysts, incident analysts, ethical hackers, and cybersecurity engineers. So our security specialization aims to produce the next generation of talented professionals.
Actually, we have like 3 new specializations. I'm going to talk only about the embedded systems. And let me start first with what's an embedded system, because actually this will let us know why basically it's a specialization. So embedded systems eventually is short for embedded computer system, and these are like small computers that exist in larger systems that we call computers. Well, a student basically can graduate to be an embedded hardware designer. We're basically like designing small computers to be embedded inside larger systems to control them. Also, they can work on like developing software for these embedded computers, or even like doing what we refer to as the hardware-software co-design, so design both of them concurrently.
So I think this is the right moment and the right step to start having more focus into equipping our students with the right skill sets to be able to operate in this environment.